Then insulation coordination. Next point. This is the insulation coordinate. So time in second, microsecond, and amplitude of voltage in kV. So this is the characteristics of protective device B, and this is characteristics of insulation characteristics of equipment to be protected. See, A must be above B, then there must be a certain gap between A and B. Then there is a proper insulation coordination. For example, you can see characteristics of protective device. Means your protective device should operate for the insulation level which is below the insulation characteristics of the equipment that is to be protected, and that is called as insulation coordination. So rated voltage, if it is 23 kV, you may have this impulse, particularly 34.5 kV, 69 kV, 115 kV, 138 kV, 330 kV. Then bus bar, as far as bus bar is concerned, 330, 420, 565, 865, 1000 kV, 16, 165 kV, that impulse voltage for insulation characteristics. Then switching after post insulation to 25 kV to 35 kV. If it is 23 kV, bus bar installation 330 kV, switch and post insulation 225 kV, for transformers 150 kV, for circuit breakers 150 kV. So the coordination of insulation, it is practiced by the operating personnels in general for various equipments and various systems. That is what I am telling you. If you consider the rated system voltage 330 kV, then bus bar installation 1665 kV, switching before and post insulation 1475 kV, transformers 1175 kV, circuit breakers 1175 kV. So like this, that you should have. And there are certain standard insulation levels as far as the practices in concern by particularly system operating, that is MS Discom असेल किंवा transmission असेल किंवा generation असेल. System voltage, normally we know that we are having 230 volt, or in terms of kV 220 kV, 110 kV, 33 kV, 66 kV. If you have 220 kV, then impulse volt 1:50 means this is a rise time and decay time. If I consider particularly 220 kV system, then impulse strength that is to be 1/50 microsecond, म्हणजे rise time 1 microsecond and decay time 50 microsecond. So 1/50 microsecond. So that particularly full peak that can be sustained for 220 kV impulse will be 900 kV. If you have dry or flashover voltage, then particularly flashover voltage 530 kV, and wet flashover voltage it is 385 kV or 400 kV. So like this, the voltages are defined by the standard as far as insulation coordination is concerned. So insulation coordination, इथे एक डायग्राम तुम्हाला दिसेल. बस बार insulation, KV insulation coordination of various equipment, lightning arrestor, rise time, decaying time 1/50 microsecond means 1 microsecond and 50 microsecond decaying time. Impulse, lightning arrestor ट्रान्सफॉर्मर म्हणजे लाइटनिंग अरेस्टर आधी सेन्स केला पाहिजे, त्याचं इन्सुलेशन कोऑर्डिनेशन खाली आहे. म्हणजे लाइटनिंग अरेस्टर शुड ऑपरेट फर्स्ट. हा जर ऑपरेट नाही झाला, इन्सुलेशन लेवल ऑफ ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इज मोर, देन लाइन insulator is more than this, then circuit breaker is more than this, then bus bar is more than this. You can see you can calculate the figure by just going through the graph. Any doubt? Bola.
No, sir.
With this, I think we have finished our unit number 2 with all contents of the syllabus. I will give you some assignments later on, 2-3 assignments based on this. You are not solving the assignments as I have